How to log in to Bank of America online banking account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first of all, launch any web browser on your device. Now go to the search bar and search for Bank of America. Okay, here we go. Now select this website that says Bank of America right here. Okay, just tap on it and wait for some time. Now once you're here on the official website of Bank of America, you can see the option of login just beside the hamburger icon on the top right corner. Just tap on it. Okay, now if you wish to, you can also install the application and log in from there. But for now, I'm just going to continue with my web browser. Okay, just tap on continue to log in. Let's wait for some time. Now once you are here, you have to provide your user ID and then simply enter your password. And after entering your details, just tap on the option of login. Now in case if you have forgotten your ID or password, you can see the option of forgot ID/password. Just tap on it and then follow the procedures on how to recover your ID and password. So this was it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.